Hi, my name's John. Welcome to another Sunday night nightcap. Tonight's nightcap, I do quite a lot of brass machining again. I get that little needle valve finished off for the Crossley stationary engine. In part 2, I make a tool rack for my lathe tools, different design this time. Do the whole thing from start to finish. I show how I do a little drawing on the computer and then I cut it out and weld it all together. I hope you find it interesting. But the first 4 or 5 minutes is all sort of computer work. If you're not interested in that, obviously you just fast forward. But quite a few people have asked us how I do drones and how we convert drones to a G code to be able to cut something out. The first thing I'm going to do is the draw for the set of calipers. Find the name. Morris McCall. Right Morris, all you need to do, send me an email with your address and I'll get that posted off to you. This week's giveaway is something I've already given away but wasn't claimed. It's a Clark 0-1-inch micrometer. It's brand new, in a box with a spanner. Nice little micrometer. I've used it, nothing the matter with it. I will get a close-up shot of that a little bit later on. As usual, if you want a chance at winning that, all you have to do is send me an email containing your name. That's my email up there. I need your full name, like John Mills, not just John. Your name goes in the bucket. If it's drawn out, you get posted off. I mean, I think I've got 3 or 4 inch micrometers. I've got a one I use, a one that's too good to use. This one, and there's another one somewhere else. I certainly don't want it. I don't need it. I'd rather give it away. Somebody can use it. If you win it and you don't want it or you can't use it, give it to somebody that can. I had a little bit of bad news earlier on this week. My dad's took poorly again. He's had an infection and he's had to go back in the hospital for antibiotics to get things sorted out. They've got his temperatures down, so hopefully he'll not be in there too long. Then we can get him back home to his new place again. That's a little needle we made. The original needle's got a much bigger diameter head on it. I didn't have any decent bar to make it out of, that's why it's smaller. So I found a piece of bar here. It's got probably a 10mm hole in it. It'll be ideal. I'll just nail it, part the piece off, and then machine that down to be a nice fit in there and swirl that on. First thing to do is to nail it. It's pointless facing it until it's been nailed because the brass will go all shapes when you nail it. We've got the dreaded nailer here. This is called a clamp type nail. The jaws actually clamp onto the workpiece as opposed to just pushing straight in. So it's a lot more friendly on the lathe. You nail things very slowly with plenty of lubricating oil on, plenty of cutting oil. You're not actually cutting it, you're shaping it, forming it. It's not bad. It's not good, but it's not bad. That's better. Nice sharp nail. pot it all the way off. Just want to put a very slight radius on the two edges with a very slight chamfer. Right, that'll do. That'll solder onto there quite nicely. Once it's soldered on, I can take a little face and cut across it as well. So once that's soldered onto there, that'll be that needle complete. So I did say I would repair this one, so I'm going to cut that off and see if we can make a new end to solder onto there. Then you've got two needles. Then I've cut the top off the needle. I'm going to reface this, face the end up and then drill it and just make a little, look at that little bastard thing. Make a little extension piece to go into there. It's in between collet sizes really. It won't go into a 6 and it's a little bit slack for a 6 to 7. Material on the sides. Well, there should be enough length on this. There will be just. going to be enough if there is enough. A little bit too tight to fit that. Fan his hair off it. About that much. Better. Right, and that one's turned out to 4mm to fit inside of that hole. Solder them together. And that's going to be a good one. I like it. Right, hopefully right, both of these joints have got a little bit of flux on them. I've got some proper silver solder here. All I need to do is gently run a little bit around them. It'll take very little. Both good fitting joints. Very fine flame. This is actually a fire brick I'm standing on, so there's no fear of the brick exploding. You can see the flux start to go molten and disappear. I'm looking for a dull red colour. Getting near. Not quite there yet. It's not doing what I wanted it to do. Not quite as tidy a job as I would have liked, but it's nevertheless it's done the job. Right, now for this one. It's actually the flux is boiling out, it's trying to push and blast that thing apart. Look at it. Come on. That's incredible, that. Stop it. think we're basically well, that's not as neat a job as I would have liked that by any stretch of the imagination, but I'm sure we'll be able to salvage it. We'll keep that pushed down and it goes off. Right, not as neat as I expected, but I'm sure they'll be alright. At least it's running through. It's not bad. It would have been better if I'd made it out of solid. I'm not sure about that silver soldering flux I'm using, whether it's up to the job or not. Right, this is the original needle that we're putting your end on. It's actually not running too bad, it's fairly true. Right, we've basically got it all done now. It just needs some packing putting in there for that gland nut. I'll give it some packing. I've got some graphite yarn packing. That's the needle I repaired, the original one. So that goes into there, fully closed. That's no problem with that. And then the one I made from scratch, and also goes in there, fully closed, no problem at all with that. This has really been what I call a wish job. I wish I'd never seen the bastard thing. That's a lot of time gone into that. Anyway, it's done now. It'll probably outlast me, I suppose. Loads of people have commented about the thread, saying it could have been a quarter brass thread or whatever. I imagine it's quarter. Definitely quarter UNF. That's the pitch was definitely UNF anyway. The thread profile on something that small, it makes no difference really. It's not like a nuclear reactor control valve. It's for letting a little bit of air into an old vintage stationary engine. I have quite enjoyed doing it. I do enjoy this sort of work, I suppose.